So here's another minor cosmetic mod video. So I'm gonna do black Plasti-dip on this windshield piece. It should give the top a more clean look with you know, the black matching with the canvas top. I know it's like a really minor mod. I didn't want to do more videos that have that are more technical or have more like parts to it, but I'm kind of on like a pretty bad budget right now, so I'm just saving up until I can get some other cool things like I planned in my my 2018 goal video. But for now, I'm just gonna do some minor things. Also, I've been looking at helmets for autocrossing, and I'm not sure if I want to save up my money and go with a full SA 2015 rated helmet, or just get like a motorcycle helmet for now for autocrossing. So if anyone has any recommendations, I would appreciate that. So I know it's going to be Plasti-dip, but I already went ahead and taped off the end piece of the windshield, because I don't want Plasti-dip to get inside this this fender right here. It could be a pain to take off. Like, I don't want to, I'm gonna have to tape this up. Like when I close the door, the Plasti-dip should stop right about there, so you can get like a clean edge. I might have to go a little lower, so when you close the door, it'll still be black and you won't see the silver piece. I'm just using this this black tape I have lying around because I don't have any blue tape. This is looking really stupid right now, but I got a bunch of old t-shirts that I had laying around in the garage, and I just kind of covered the parts that I don't want the Plasti-dip to get on. I know it's going to be removable, but it's going to make my job a lot easier if I don't have to look everywhere on my car for Plasti-dip overspray. So in theory, I should just paint this part, and then I'll be able to peel off this side piece right here where the Plasti-dip is going to settle, and I should be able to peel this Plasti-dip that forms around this area. So I'll have a clean painted silver piece. Made sure I close my windows, and then I put some towels on the top of this and closed my canvas top, so I wouldn't get any Plasti-dip inside the interior, and I wouldn't get any Plasti-dip on top of the cloth tops. I just bought one can of Plasti-dip since I used all the cans I had left over when I was doing the wheels. I'm just gonna wipe this down with some soap and water and make sure it's dry, and then I'm gonna put my first base coat of Plasti-dip on, and yeah. So here's the fifth and final coat. For some reason, it's really hard to get a smooth finish. Not because it's just Plasti-dip, but I guess there's a slight curve to the windshield piece, and it makes it kind of hard to get an even layer on it. So pretty much done with the painting process. Now we just need to peel off this Plasti-dip I got all over my car. Using paper towel, it works surprisingly well when you have to take off this Plasti-dip on the glass. For the body, I'm actually using a microfiber cloth because it works a lot better than the paper towel. like always, I ran out of daylight, but I'm probably gonna continue working. I just have to get all this Plasti-dip off. But yeah, if I had to do this again, I'd probably recommend taping this off, because even though I got the Plasti-dip on this outer lip, the inside lip still has some Plasti-dip on it that I'm kind of struggling to get out. And then I got Plasti-dip on the plastic weather stripping right here, which is fine because it's basically plastic on plastic. But if that does annoy you, then you're probably going to want to mask that off too, because it does not come off. So yeah, so for $6 you can't really beat the Plasti-dip on the windshield. It's super cheap to do and does make the car look a lot more put together with the black on top. Probably the best thing to do would be vinyl wrap it yourself, or have a shop vinyl wrap this piece right here. I don't know how much that would cost, but I probably might look into that in the future. I'm just trying to save my money for the other parts that I really want, so I wouldn't even know where to begin vinyl wrapping this piece, because to me, like, as somebody who's never done it, vinyl wrapped something, I'm guessing this piece would probably be hard because of the curve and how small it is. Hopefully I'll actually have driver mods to do on my Miata next time, or maybe a couple of episodes after.
Yo, what up? Tyrone, this your boy.
Yeah, that piece I was trying to fix, I didn't fix it. I tried to cut it out and blend the two Plasti-dip together, but I ran out of Plasti-dip, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do now. It was going so great, but this piece over here just had bubbles on it, and I made it worse by accidentally touching it. So I don't know how I could mess up such a simple job like this, but I think what I'm gonna do now is, I don't want to waste the $6 I bought, so I'm just gonna try and maybe cut this piece out and then do some kind of stripe design. Just bear with me.